The challenge of storing a bicycle in a garage is that the bike has a tendency to either fall or roll into the car if you just lean it against the wall, and plus of course it also scratches up the wall. But you can solve that problem with two closet shelf brackets. You can get these at any hardware store or home center. It costs a couple of bucks a piece. Just put a couple of screws into the wall studs, then snap on the brackets, and then you can just very easily hang the bike right on the hooks, just like that. And now the bike won't fall over into the car. Next time you go riding, you just pop it off and go. And the other nice thing is you have plenty of storage space below. Because I lifted up off the floor, there's about 4 feet high, there's plenty of space below. Now, if you're concerned with the metal hook scratching the bike frame, I'll show you what you can do. Take it off. You can get an old rubber inner tube, just cut a couple of sections, maybe 5 or 6 inches long, and just pull them over the hooks. And that'll protect the bike. And then when you put the bike on, there's no concern about the frame getting scratched up.